Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos to give you the scoop on whether they're worth your hard-earned cash.
Today, we're taking a look at something truly unique.
The Sipeed Lichee Console 4a, a tiny RISC-V laptop that's got some serious potential for developers on the go.
Let's see if this little powerhouse lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk design. This thing is small. I mean, small. It's like someone took a ThinkPad and shrunk it down to pocket size. But don't let its diminutive stature fool you. This laptop means business. With a quad-core RISC version CPU running the show, backed up by a generous 16 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, this little machine packs a punch. Now, let's talk ports. Despite its size, the Lichee Console 4a doesn't skimp on connectivity. You've got USB Type-A and Type-C ports, mini HDMI, gigabit Ethernet, you name it, this thing's got it. Plus, there's built-in Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4 for wireless connectivity on the go. One of the standout features of the Lichee Console 4a is its 7-inch touchscreen display. It's sharp, it's responsive, and it's perfect for getting work done on the fly. Plus, you've got this nifty little red point pointing stick that's reminiscent of the classic ThinkPad trackpoint. Although I'll admit, it's a bit sluggish at times. And the keyboard, while functional, is a bit cramped for my liking. So, how does it perform? Well, in a word, admirably. Thanks to its quad-core RISC version CPU and ample RAM, the Lichee Console 4a handles everyday tasks with ease. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or even doing some light coding, this little laptop can handle it all. Plus, with Debian Linux pre-installed, you've got access to a wide range of software right out of the box. Speaking of software, one of the great things about the Lichee Console 4a is its flexibility. Running Debian Linux means you've got access to a vast ecosystem of open-source software, with most packages just a quick, apt get away. And while there are some limitations, like the lack of official support for certain applications, for the most part, you can do just about anything you need to do on this little machine. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are a few drawbacks to be aware of. The keyboard, while serviceable, can be a bit cramped, and the red point pointing stick takes some getting used to. Plus, there have been reports of firmware issues causing problems with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. But overall, these are minor quibbles considering the sheer versatility and portability of the Lichee Console 4a. So, is the Sipeed Lichee Console 4a worth your hard-earned cash? In my opinion, absolutely. Sure, it's not without its flaws, but for developers on the go, it's hard to beat the combination of power, portability, and open-source goodness that this little laptop offers. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, the Lichee Console 4a is worth a look. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy coding!